Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone, or tablet actually. So with that being said, for this we will need a cable that you can plug into your device, and it needs to be connected to the computer. Once that is ready, I just recommend placing it in the charging port, just not plugging in it fully yet. And on your device you will need to turn it off. So I'm gonna swipe down for the notification, select the power button and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and when you start holding both of these buttons at the same time, plug in the cable. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit so I can grab it a little bit more securely. So I'm holding it now, plugging it in. You will see Samsung and then Galaxy, at which point you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will then put us into the recovery mode. In here, you will need to utilize volume buttons, either up or down, to move respectively. And with that in mind, I'm gonna press down to scroll and select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, confirm it using your power button. Then select yes. And we're done. So we can now select the reboot system now. So just press power button because it will be selected by default. And we can also unplug the cable. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.